Welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. Hi everyone, my name is Thanh Huyền. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. In this lesson, we master the correct pronunciation of bún chả, the famous noodle and grilled pork dish from Hanoi. We focus only on the physical mechanics, your lip, tongues, and tones. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the short, high vowel U clearly. Shape your mouth and tongue for the sound chờ. Apply the high raising tone on bún and the sharp, short, high tone on chả. Pronunciation mechanics. Step-by-step guide. The word bún chả, 2 syllable. Bún plus chả. At first, we will start with the first syllable. Bún. We have an initial consonant, b. Lip shape, both lip gently close. Really soft voice sounds as lip part. Repeat. B. 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 About the main vowel, U. Lips rounded and slightly protruded, like whistling. Your tongue high and pulled back slightly. Repeat after me. U. U. Final consonant. N. Your tongue position. Tip of the tongue touches the back of the upper front teeth or gum ridge. This is a clear voiced nasal sound. Repeat after me. N. 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 Put U and N together. We have un, un, un. Okay, let's move on to the tone, high raising tone. Start at the mid-level tone and then raise sharply. Repeat after me. Un, un, un. The fourth syllable will be bún, bún. How about the second syllable? The second syllable, chả. Initial consonant, chờ. The tongue position. Tip of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth, just behind the gum ridge, like in church, but softer. For Northern dialect, release a quiet, unvoiced burst of air. Repeat after me. Chờ, chờ, chờ. The second is vowel a, here written as a. Mouth open medium wide. Tongue position, center of tongue low. Repeat. A, a, a. About the tone is high. Start mid-lows and deep down, and often rise slightly at the end, creating a smooth, questioning quality. Repeat after me. A, a, a. The fourth syllable will be chả, chả. Okay, now full combination. Bún chả. Slowly. Bún chả. Repeat. Bún chả. Now link them smoothly together. Bún chả. Bún chả. Practice time. The first activity is repeat each word and do the hand like me. Bún, bún, bún. Second syllable. Chả, chả, chả. Now slow motion combination. Bún chả, bún chả, bún chả. Full speed repetition. Bún chả, bún chả, bún chả, bún chả, bún chả. Great job! Today you learned how to use round lips for the vowel U, shape your tongue for the consonant J, apply the tense high raising tone on bún and the question mark tone hỏi on chả. Remember to practice slowly first, then speed up. Try saying bún chả next time you visit Hà Nội. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.